What's the meaning of Chinese checkers? Chinese checkers. Chinese checkers.
Chinese checkers. Chinese checkers. Chinese checkers is a strategy board game that can be played by 2 to 6 people. The game's objective is to move all of your pieces from one side of the board to the opposite side before your opponents do the same. Players take turns moving their pieces one space at a time or by jumping over other pieces. The winner is the first player to move all of their pieces to the opposite side of the board. The game is called Chinese checkers because it was invented in Germany in 1892 and was originally called Sternhalma, but was renamed in the United States as a marketing ploy in the 1920s.